Thursday, August 13th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you as a low humidity air mass and a cooler air mass remains in place. Banner Elk web camera courtesy of resortcams.com. 54 there in Banner Elk. Let me show you some other mountain temperatures early this morning. A lot of 50s on the board. Rainbow Springs at 56. These are 4 o'clock hour temperatures, by the way. Cherokee at 55. Busick 52. But in the northwestern parts of North Carolina, you have temperatures there in the 50s, and most sites even down to 51 in West Jefferson. Some foothill spots in the upper 50s too. Really a nice start to our Thursday. Now, highs yesterday still pretty warm, but it was a big time decrease in the humidity in many spots across the region. Here's your triad area high temperatures, mid 80s the rule. Charlotte, upper 80s and lower 90s. But again, a big time decrease in the humidity made it feel a whole lot better outside yesterday. These are, again, 4 o'clock hour temperatures. A lot of 60s on the board across the Piedmont zones over toward the Sandhills, too. Some 70s down into South Carolina and up and down the Carolina coast as well. There's your winds this morning. If they're not calm, they're light out of the north, that northerly flow remaining in place. And dew points, much more workable out there this morning, 50s and 60s, as opposed to the 70s we had earlier in the week. All right, storm tracker radar, very quiet. You have some showers and storms offshore from the Carolina, Georgia, and Florida coasts, but that's about it. Just very quiet weather over a good chunk of real estate over the eastern part of the country with this dry air mass in place. Speaking of the dry air, these are actual dew points at the moment, and a lot of 50s, even some 40s for dew points up toward the Great Lakes region. And as we go into the future here, watch this this afternoon. Notice a lot of 50s for dew points here across North Carolina, and same basic idea as we go on through tomorrow and Saturday as well, with this drier air mass, 50s to at most low 60s for dew points really in most spots. So the drier air in place, much more comfortable humidity levels coming up over the next several days than what we had earlier in the week. So it's pretty quiet. In fact, a very quiet forecast. High pressure building in. Good deal of sunshine today. There's your highs across the region for our Thursday. We get on into Friday, more of the same. Good deal of sunshine. Your Friday high temperatures shape up like that. And as we head on into the weekend, more of the same. I think the humidity level staying pretty low. Your Saturday high temperatures, upper 80s and lower 90s for most of us. Tropics still very quiet. No sign of any tropical development across the Atlantic Basin. And really, I don't see any signs of development anytime soon anywhere across the Atlantic, Gulf, or Caribbean. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.